If the air fryer does not turn on, first check that the fryer basket if it's fully inserted into the main unit. Important: the appliance will not operate unless the basket is correctly positioned and locked in place. Inspect the plug for any possible damage and bent parts. If your food is not cooking evenly, avoid overcrowding the fryer basket. Arrange food in a single layer to allow hot air to circulate properly. For larger portions, increase the cooking time and temperature slightly. Check the food halfway through cooking to ensure it is evenly cooked. Ensure the fryer basket is clean and free from leftover grease before each use. Check that the rear air vent is clear and not blocked. Important: maintain a 20 to 30 centimeter clearance from walls and flammable objects during operation. Avoid using parchment paper or foil without food weighing it down, as this may cause smoke or burning. If smoke occurs during cooking, stop the air fryer and carefully remove excess oil or food residue from the basket. If the air fryer suddenly shut down during operation, it may have overheated as a safety precaution. Allow the air fryer to cool down for 30 minutes before using it again. Check that the rear air vent is unobstructed and that there is sufficient space around the air fryer for proper ventilation. Once cooled, reinsert the fryer basket securely and restart the air fryer.